That's it. That was good.
Oh man.
That was good. Okay, now just slowly open it up a bit more. At least you've unhooked it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Felt that.
And 2 wrists. Sorry. And then
my hips, of course. Saving that for all day. And then my knees, I just twist my toes sometimes too.
lean back and then the hips and the toes. So I do it all at once. I get my fingers in between them and I swing it to one side. See?
Blacked up right now, and it's about to pop again for the 3rd time this week. Ow, that was a loud pop. Damn.